We'll guide you through how to download and install AnyDesk on a Mac. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. AnyDesk is a really convenient app as it allows you to go and control other computers as well as have this computer controlled. Go and open up a web browser. In this case, I'll go and use Safari. And what we need to do is go and type in AnyDesk and come to anydesk.com. Go and press download now like so. And then the download should begin. You may need to go and press allow to go and have permission to go and download. Go and open up our downloads in our dock by clicking here. We can go and find AnyDesk. Alternatively, you can go and open up your Finder and go to downloads and find it there. Now go and click on anydesk.dmg and drag and drop AnyDesk into applications like so. Then we'll click on the applications folder and in here go and find AnyDesk. As you can see, it's at the top here, and you can double click it and it should go and launch. You need to confirm you want to go and open it up as it's downloaded from the internet. I'll press open. And now we need to go through this setup process. We need to go and give it the different permissions. So what we need to do is go and press open screen recording preferences and go and switch on AnyDesk. I'll need to use Touch ID or I can enter my password and press quit and reopen. It will then go and reopen. Here we are in AnyDesk. So here you can go and see your address. You can give this to other people and they can then go and take control of your computer. Otherwise, you can go and have other people's addresses and go and enter it in at the top. To go and adjust the settings, you can press AnyDesk in the top left and you can go and press preferences. And you can then go through here and adjust these different things.